Now we've got our pizza done and the glaze is hardened. Everything's ready to go. Now we're going to do one more step. I'm going to take the bottom off of a strawberry, discard this, and then you want to chop or slice the strawberry into pieces. Just going right down the side. Now this is going to be a topping for our pizza. Pick it up whole and set it down there like a shark. It's one way of doing it. Or you can make a nice little circle so you can actually see open parts of the strawberry and get a nice little star.